Alright guys, so today I want to show you how to make afro beats from scratch. Okay, as a beginner we're gonna make afro beat from scratch as a beginner. Alright, so without wasting my time, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, we are in the first studio now, so we're gonna change the tempo, okay, to 100. Then we're gonna start with the drums this time. Okay, so let's pick our samples. When picking your sample, make sure you select the right sample so that it will make your mixing simple. All right, so I'm gonna use this. All right, let's go for Rem. Then I will use this. Okay, let me go for conga. So let's try and make simple drum. Right click, fill each 4 steps. Very simple, guys. Okay, so we're gonna copy and layer it with the snare, paste. Right, you're gonna tighten up here. Very simple. Then let's add some conga. Very simple, guys. I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm not going to make anything complex here. Then we're gonna give it a little bit swing. Watch here. Okay, you can see the swing percentage here, about 30%. This is something that always you have to give to your Afrobeat. I'm gonna change this conga. Okay, very simple, guys. So we're gonna use this. Let's fill the bass. Control plus B. All right, now that we are done with the drums, right, so guys, let's add shaker loop. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that it extends here. So to do that, we double click, then right click on the time, fill 2 bars. Very simple. Then we reduce it a little bit, change this to song. Let me try this. Fill 2 bars. Let me mute this one. See. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. Then we're gonna fill the other bar. Very simple, guys. Okay, so we're gonna create another pattern which is for the melodies. Then I'm gonna load hypersonic. We're gonna use electric pianos. Let me change change the scale. Let me change the key. If you want to know how to develop chord progression, then watch this video that will pop up on this screen. Okay. Alright, so guys, let's listen to the chord progression alone. Okay, so we're gonna create bass by highlighting the root notes. Then we're gonna drag to make duplicate. Alright. You can even send it low octave. Very simple. Then we're gonna reduce the volume of the bass a little bit. Okay. Then guys, we're gonna fill here. Very simple, guys. So let's add it to the drums. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do is to send this to the mixer track. So let's cut some of the low ends. We're gonna use Fruity Parametric EQ2. Choose this preset. Okay guys, what I did is I cut off some of the high ends and the low ends to make it soft. Alright, so let's move on. Clone hypersonic again. Now we're gonna add simple melody, acoustic guitar. We're gonna follow these ghost notes. Increase the volume. Duplicate. Duplicate. Okay, then we copy, bring it here. We're gonna do the same thing here. Make sure this on the right note. Very simple, guys. Then we're gonna fill the other bars like that. Then we're gonna send this to high octave like this. We're gonna hit Alt plus R to play with this panning and the velocity. Accept. Okay guys, so I'm gonna route this to the mixer track, EQ it. The next thing I'm gonna do is to add reverb. Okay. Alright guys, then I'm gonna add delay. Okay, delay 2. Alright, so I'm gonna reduce this, guys. So let's listen to the melody and the chord progression now. So we want everything to be soft like that. Then let me add another melody. I'm gonna use marimba delay. Okay. Alright guys, so let's try and add a counter melody. Very simple, guys. Let's fill the bars. Then let's try send it to high octave and C. Increase the volume. Alright. Very simple, guys. Then I'm gonna add another melody. Clone. Saz. Right, let's add cool saxophone to it. Very simple, guys. Then we're gonna send it to high octave like that. Okay, then change here. Alright, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, guys. Give the video a like if it helps you. Alright guys, so let's listen to that. Then we're gonna hit Alt R. Then play with the panning. Okay, release, accept. guys. So now let's change this to a song mode, then we listen to everything. Let's add transition. Introduce a crash. Alright, so guys, basically this is how you can make Afrobeat as a beginner. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.